Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make an activity private on Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up your App Store and search for Strava. From there, you want to go ahead and find the application and install it. So once you have installed it, now we can go ahead and open it up and log into our account that we want to track our activities with. So once you're logged in, you are going to be greeted by this main page. This is the home page from where we can get started. As you can see here, we can find all the options we can access. We have our home page, we can record, access maps, and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how to make an activity private. So basically guys, the first thing we want to do is to find the activity we want to make private. If you have not already set it up, you can then go ahead and find that option once you are setting it up. I'm going to go and show you how it looks like, but basically let's go into the U page right here in the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, once you open up the U page, it's going to go and show you your profile where you can take a look at your progress and your activities tab. We want to open up activities, and from here we can find the activity we want to turn private. As you can see here, I have an activity of an afternoon swim, and now if I want to turn it private, first thing I'm going to do is click on it to open it up. It's going to open up this new menu where in the upper right corner you can click on the three dots. By clicking on the three dots, it's going to open up this new menu where I can go ahead and access every option that I have, and one of them is called edit activity. This is what I want to open up. From here guys, you can scroll down a bit and you can find the visibility section. In the visibility section, you can just select who can view your activity. You can select everyone, only followers, or only you. So if you want to turn it private, you can click only you, and this is now going to go ahead and enable you to update your activity to be private and nobody else will be able to see it except you, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.